I started carrying a flag in 2021, averaging about 5 to 6 miles a day. If I had to guess, I would say I carried a flag for at least 5,000 miles.
Anytime I'm in Bowling Green or driving through Bowling Green, I saw Jim walking through town carrying a flag on his shoulder.
When I'm outside of the store and he walks by, he definitely gets noticed. There's a lot of waves and a lot of honkings to help support him on his goals.
I carry a flag to inspire people. I also carry it to honor veterans. Well, there was a report that a protest group was going to come through Bowling Green, and the mayor decided to take all the flags down around City Hall. That inspired me. I'm going to start carrying a flag every day with my walks. By the end of the year, I was like, okay, this flag's starting to get a little tattered and I need to do something with it. And then I was like, oh, I want to present it to a veteran. And I was like, what a more perfect person to present it to than Johnny.
Johnny was sick from serving for his country. And the Vietnam veterans didn't get any recognition, and Johnny was so touched. I mean, I couldn't help from crying. Anyone that would go out of their way to do what Jim does, it's just that little touch.
To be able to show him that he was appreciated for his service and stuff made me want to do it over and over again.
I think most of the people that see him and know what he's about have a lot of respect for what he's doing.
I noticed him walking one day in town, so I reached out and asked him where he got his flags from. Funny enough, he purchased them from Heartware. And since then, I told Jim that he would never have to buy another flag as long as he continued to do what he did.
And so whenever he decides that it's time to give someone one of his flags, then he'll come visit me and I'll grab him a flag and we'll get him ready for his next steps.
A lot of people ask me where I get my flags, and I never hesitate to say Ace Hardware helps me out. They've been my biggest supporters.
Anything that we can do to help him, we're here for it.
I feel prideful that we're fortunate enough to have someone like him in our community.
For me as a veteran, it does my heart good.
I hope that whenever I present a flag to a veteran, that they look at it and know that others appreciate their service too.